Welcome. I'm glad you can join me as we take a look at the plan strategy. The plan strategy is one of my favorite strategies because it guides you throughout the writing process. It will take you from understanding the written prompt so you know what to do, all the way to organizing your paper. So once you've finished with the strategy, you'll be ready to draft and write away. So one of the things that I do want you to keep in mind is that the plan strategy is particularly good for informational or argumentative essays. So let's take a look at the strategy. As a literacy person, I love a good pun, and the plan strategy, it's a pun right in there. It helps you with your planning, and each letter is a step in the plan strategy. So let's get started. The P stands for paying attention to the writing assignment. You want to take your time and identify what you're asked to write about and determine how you develop your essay. So you're paying attention and keeping track of what you're asked to do. If you have questions, ask your professor or ask your TA. The second step is brainstorming, which involves listing your main ideas after gathering and evaluating your ideas. After you list your main ideas, let's go to the A. You add supporting ideas to each main idea. So your supporting ideas would include details, examples, elaborations, and don't forget your evidence. So for each step in adding supporting ideas to each main idea, you want to consider whether each main idea is still relevant and if those ideas, additional ones, are relevant. Finally, you number the order in which you present your ideas. In other words, you decide the order, the overall structure of your paper. So there you have it, 4 easy steps in the plan strategy to get from understanding the prompt to coming up with the organization of your paper. Good luck and happy writing!